ADHD is a mental health condition characterized by hyperactivity, trouble focusing, and being easily distracted. While symptoms often appear first in childhood, some people don't receive a diagnosis until they are older. ADHD often causes disruptive behavior and cognitive patterns. This can impact every area of your life, including work, school, and relationships. The condition is usually treated with a combination of medication and therapy. For a long time, ADHD was mostly associated with children, but while ADHD symptoms usually appear before age 12, the diagnosis can apply to people of any age. It can take years for people to receive an accurate diagnosis, and some people never do. Understanding how ADHD can look different in children and adults can help encourage timely diagnosis. Some of the signs of adult may include inability to stay focused on a single task, difficulty concentrating, forgetting appointments or promises, habitual lateness, not listening when people talk, or forgetting what they say. Adult ADHD may also affect your communication style. Some adults with this condition may present with the following: a compulsion to finish other people's sentences, frequently interrupt others while they are talking, trouble seeing someone else's perspective during a conversation, impatient when waiting for something such as in line for groceries or in a traffic jam. Adults with undiagnosed ADHD may not understand why they struggle with focusing and can't follow along in social situations. The interpersonal components of ADHD can make it hard to make friends and maintain friendships. It's important to get a timely diagnosis so you can get the answers and care you deserve. Since ADHD affects executive functions of the brain such as judgment, decision-making, initiative, memory, and the ability to complete complex tasks, it can lead to the following impacts in everyday life: inability to focus and complete tasks at school or work, difficulty with sustainable, stable relationships, time management difficulties such as inability to meet deadlines, missing or arriving late to appointments, forgetting to pay bills, not returning emails, texts, or phone calls, losing important items frequently such as your keys, phone, or wallet, experiencing impatience when waiting for your turn in line or in a conversation, difficulty focusing when others are talking, constantly finishing others' sentences or interjecting when it's not your turn to talk. Over time, these impacts can interfere with your relationships, work, and life at home. Changes in routine may help manage your ADHD symptoms. Establish a regular schedule, including waking up and going to bed at the same time each day. Try to get enough sleep. 7 to 9 hours is recommended for adults. Aim to exercise or be physically active regularly. Incorporate relaxing activities into your routine, such as meditation and yoga or hobbies you enjoy. Manage stress as best as you can with regular breaks. While ADHD is most commonly diagnosed in children, it's never too late to seek care as an adult. If you enjoy this video, subscribe, share, like, and comment.